sorry ass DJ.
Guys, I'm Luis and we will talk all about the latest iPhone that will come. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So please subscribe to the channel. So let's talk about the display. So the rumoring is coming that the next iPhone will have a 120 Hz refresh rate and under display camera, which is a very nice thing in pro models, not bottom models. In pro models it is coming. So let's start with another. Second information is coming that the iPhone processor. So what will the processor of the next iPhone? So in coming rumoring that there will no advanced 2 nm based or 3 nm based processor. There will be the 5 nm based processor, but more advanced than the previous design. So let's start with the camera. In the camera, the main rumoring is coming that the both iPhones have, in pro models, have sensor safe technology and more improved ultra wide camera. And you have rating on the screen that the pro max models would see improved ultra wide cameras. Ultra wide cameras on two high end iPhone 13 models would be improved to f1.86 megapixel with autofocus. And this is very nice because sensors technology is very, I love the technology. And the Pro Max will feature a bit, you have an autofocus technology will also use. So next rumoring is coming about this design. Guys, the next iPhone will have a smaller notch than the previous generation, and this is the same design that will like the iPhone 12. We know that Apple make their own design, so whatever, there is no much rumor about the design. So what's about its a storage. So guys, the main rumor is coming that the iPhone have up to 1 terabyte of storage. This is incredibly, and I like it. There's a much storage you can store. So let's take to the another. So what will the price of the iPhone? So the rumor is coming that the iPhone price will have more than the iPhone 12 price, and you have been seeing on the screen. So what will the price? So guys, this is the whole information that I will gather to you. Hope you like the video. If you like, then subscribe my channel, it would be fantastic. Then bye, thank you for watching.